to take this face-off. He's got Durandeau on his left wing. Groulx over there on the right side as Morand and McIssac are on the blue line. McIssac over for Morand, back to McIssac, fakes the shot, steps in, lets one go, and now a scramble in front, they score! Who else? Samuel Asselin on the doorstep will poke that one home. And the Mooseheads strike on the power play. It's 1-0 Halifax. That shooting lane to break up that opportunity for Arnaud Durandeau, who picked up his 23rd goal of the season last night. Continuing to press. Now Chicoutimi, a shot, they score. Jeremy Groleau sneaking in, will rip that one up and over Alex Gravel. And he's got the Chicoutimi blue line down the left wing. Great pass to Asselin and a big stop. Flower back in possession here in his own end. He'll partner it over to McIssac. Long feed up ahead. That was read well by Groleau. Broke it up. He'll carry it up ahead. Gets a shot off and he scores. Groleau letting one go just seconds after tying this one up. He's going to give Chicoutimi the lead. Right side for Antoine Morand. Now Getson with it, coming down that right wing. A great glove stop by Moody. That puck is still loose. A scramble along.